don't know how well y'all can see that.
What's up, friend family?
It's your boy Take Out Ink.
And it's your girl Key. And we back with another video.
You got this black part that says ear.
What you ready to shoot?
Overall, man, the style.
You can wear it.
We're doing 2 giveaways, the MP6s. We're gonna start up with me. Ding ding. Hello.
Don't tell me.
That look like some one.
You know what I thought it was just Agree or disagree? Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you can get notified. You hear me? Hit the bell so you can get notified. Like the video just because the video is fire. Like it.
Already into this? Y'all click the title.
Y'all already know why y'all right here. You ready? You ready? Let's get into it.
Alright, now, so we got an early review.
Early. You hear me?
Of the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. Regular Air Jordan 1 box. These released on Halloween, and then they did exclusive access, like what? 3 days ago. Today is what? The 27th? So on the 25th. Let's go ahead and get into this box. You alright?
Excuse me.
So these, shout out to my boy Maldonado. He grabbed these off Sneakers. This is a size 9.5.
It's a 9? It's
9.5.
It's kind of big.
So size 9.5. Y'all see that? And it has that new sideways barcode.
Only sneakerheads know all that.
Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Sail black, dark mocha black, voile mocha, fonts, New York. So 9.5 USA, Euro 43 UK 85, all that good stuff. And you got that barcode right here. Now let's get into the shoe.
You want to start off with the sole?
Already looking, man, the shoe is fire. Let's start off with that. Fire.
It's like a good ass fall shoe. I ain't even gonna lie.
The shoe is dope, man. And like I said before, if y'all watched any of the previous videos, I love this black sole, man.
Yeah.
Hard to get dirty. Hard to get dirty. So we got black sole at the bottom, Nike Air with the Nike check.
Mm-hmm.
Moving on to the midsole, it's like it's sail, but it's not like
cream.
A dirty brown, like a dirty, like dingy sail, how we used to see it when the shoe was marked with sail, but it's like a sail, like you said, cream.
Mm-hmm.
It's not, it's like halfway, like in the middle between white and sail. I say that.
Like a dusty white.
Yeah, like a dusty white. That's what it looks like, this whole shoe. It's not.
But no, you can tell the difference.
It's not white and it's not sail. I mean, it's the same thing for here too.
You think so?
Compared to what I've seen so far, nah, it's not. It's not like the Travis Scott dusty sail. Maybe I should have grabbed those too from my friend Mel to show y'all a review, because he got a size 10.5. Let me know in the comments if y'all need one. I think he's doing like $1,500 for him. But moving on. Moving on, so you know, as you can see, it's embarked with the black toe color blocking, and then got that mocha brown in the back. The leather's not bad. I'll say the quality on these is like probably equal to the court purples, if y'all wanted to know. If you can't really see it, it's not nothing crazy, but it's good enough, man. Y'all don't really gotta worry about that. You got the toe box. It's not too bad. It looks like yeah, it's sale. I was looking at the creases, kinda. It has like a little bit. These shoes are dead stock still, but they definitely got a little manufactured creases on them. If that's
I guess it's just what they put
a thing for you. Nah.
Oh no, that one is. This one ain't that bad.
Yeah, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but we don't care about those creases anyways. Go put a shoe tree on the inside, shoe insert, so we don't overly crease them.
Period.
Oh, that's just me. Moving towards the back, like I just said, we got a mocha. It's not the same color as the Travis. It's got ones I'll say it's a little bit darker.
Yeah, this dark.
But y'all see that material? Then I brought the couple out of the best hand in the game to show y'all like the quality of the similarity of the quality, cause it's all kind of like the same suede. I don't know how well y'all can see that.
Yeah, they the same.
Same soft back and forth material. So if you wonder how similar it was to something,
there you go.
there you go. Same thing, man. I say it's the same exact quality, same.
Oh, you finna have all the colors.
You know what I'm saying? Same shoe. Black toe color blocking. Same shoe overall. Same good quality. They did us good on this pair, man. And if you didn't see, if y'all want to see more of these, go watch all the videos that we did.
Yes, sir.
I think I just ripped my lace off over here. But, yep. That's cool. Gotta wear these soon anyways.
Why?
Because I haven't worn them yet. But yeah, that's how the back feels.
Want to talk about the Nike check? Black.
The Air Jordan Wings logo is black. Nothing crazy on there. It's our same regular black Wings logo. Got that black check. There's nothing too crazy on there. And then on the tongue, so you got a white tongue. It's like a white cotton tongue.
I feel like they shouldn't have put white.
It says Nike Air. Yeah, they should have put white. It's a black tongue.
They should put sail.
Oh, you talking about right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see what
They
you
should have
said.
put sail. Other than
Oh,
white.
you sound like a black tongue.
No, hell no.
Yeah, so you got a sail Nike Air right here. And it's kind of like, it's not leather. I want to say it's just like hard.
You saying that sail? Oh no.
Yeah, that's sail. Right here.
You don't think that's white?
I don't know, maybe because all these bright lights, I don't know.
It's
It's
white.
either sail or white. I don't know, I can't really see it, but y'all not really gonna see that unless you got shorts on anyways, but and then I think these were supposed to be the high 85 cut. I don't even know if it's a high 85 cut anymore. I don't think so. These just look like a regular OG high. Yeah, they don't look like the 85 cut. I mean, it kind of does. I don't know. These folks were supposed to have the 85 cut. Let me know in the comments if it's still that way or whatnot. I don't know. I can't really tell.
Talk about the tongue.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
I mean, not the tongue.
So the insole, they didn't give us a brown insole or mocha insole.
You want
It's
a
got
mocha?
a black. It's got a black insole with a white Nike Air.
I like the black.
Like the black?
Because the inside, when you wear, like, say for instance, it's like a color or white in the inside, it get dirty. You get what I'm saying?
I mean, it really don't matter. It's your shoes, the inside.
Nah, I prefer black. You feel me?
Prefer black?
Yeah.
I guess. So, let's get into the laces. It comes equipped with a black pair of laces on the inside. Air Jordan 1 laces, so you know how long that is. And then, for the extra pair of laces, I want to say it gave us a sail color.
That don't even look. I don't know what
I think it's sail. I think the only thing that's white on the shoe is the tongue.
You know what they should have did though? They should have sent the mocha pair. You feel me? Like,
yeah, that's.
Cause who gonna put them sail laces in these shoes? Comment down below. Would you rock the mocha color or black?
People probably gonna do sail. Some people gonna do sail. Some people gonna do black. Or some people might just order the pink laces, like Travis Scott's.
Oh.
Because Travis Scott's came with pink, so people might just do that, order some pink, and put them in there. But when I grab my pair, I think I'm gonna do just black. Yeah. See how that look. I'm not.
Maybe you should try to.
I'm not into that pink.
This color.
With the mocha brown.
Yeah, mocha. You do.
Nah, I don't know. I probably just go with black.
Yeah, black probably make it pop more anyway, cause this tongue is white, so the black gonna stand out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That white gonna look stupid on a white back. Like, why would you send a white?
Let us know in the comments what you doing. Like she said. So you're not going with the sail? You're doing black?
Black.
I might do black too. I don't know. Because you want a pair for yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
So she'll have a pair and I'll have a pair, so
pictures coming.
y'all will see that. On Halloween.
Pictures? No. Why? What's that some pictures? What you talking about?
On Halloween.
Pictures. Leave a like if y'all want to say some pictures.
No.
Drippy.
Because I won't be wearing mine anytime soon.
Christmas.
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
It's not too soon. I'm not going to make you put them on like as soon as you buy them. Duh.
I won't be wearing these for a minute, you know. But yeah, let us know what laces y'all going to be wearing. If y'all doing the lace swap or whatnot. Overall, I rate this shoe a 10 out of 10. I've been waiting on this shoe for a minute. As soon as I saw
10 out of 10?
as soon as they dropped the release. But at first it was going to be like the Mocha OG color blocking. Like all of this was just going to be brown. But then they switched it to like the black toe.
Ooh, they should have did the brown. That shit would have been fire.
Yeah, it's still fire now. But
it's still fire.
That's what they gave us first. And then, it's supposed to get that reverse like white and brown.
I'm trying to see if I should do this or some Uggs. This shoe or some Uggs. Comment down below. This shoe or Uggs?
Basic. But
this leg.
For your family, y'all got the OG high Mocha ones.
I didn't
early look. We're going to see what she rates the shoe.
Yeah, let me rate the shoe.
I got you.
Okay. I give this shoe a 10 out of 10 colorway. I give it a 10 out of 10 too. Like, I gotta have it. At first I was like, nah, I don't need it. But I gotta have it. I just got to. Right? We just gotta have it.
I don't know what you're doing.
You know what I'm doing because you get it from me, right? Give me a kiss if that's true. Give me a kiss. Give me a kissy.
Alright, so like I said, you got your OG high Mocha ones. Dropping Halloween.
Period.
Early review. I'm not gonna put them on feet because it's my boys. I know he probably gonna wear them soon. He's been,
you was gonna put them on your feet.
What? Why would I put them on my feet? I said I'm not gonna put them on my feet.
I'm saying, but you would have put them on your feet if that was yours. Exactly.
Nah.
Cap.
But yeah.
Make sure you like this video if you gon' cop these shoes.
Let us know, man. Let us know if you
enter that raffle, all that good stuff. Like this video right now. Right there.
Yeah. Let us know where you cop them from. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. All that good stuff.
Make sure you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop a video.
We out.